and if it's to do with infertility, if a patient suffering from CATS or PLZ, CZ1 mutation, then ICSI or enhanced ICSI will overcome the infertility. And yeah, I suppose if you're talking about inherited diseases, in Britain we screen all babies are screened for diseases like phenylketonuria, which is an enzyme in the brain. And if a baby's found to have PKU, then they are put on a vegan diet and they have a normal life. If they don't adhere to the vegan diet, then they get irreparable mental retardation. So genetics, I mean, that's a good example of genetics intervening and having a really happy ending to the story. There's gene therapy that is working for cystic fibrosis. There's new drugs for cystic fibrosis. So they're all coming up with new treatments. I think there's in China they're also trying to inject if a woman's missing a particular gene that causes pre-implantation failure, they're injecting the RNA of that gene, much like the vaccines, the Pfizer vaccine, the same thing as an RNA. These are RNA vaccine, where you're putting in the RNA sequence of the missing gene inject into the ovum, and they've had success with that in the fertilizer. That's improved the implantation, and and women have got on to have a child. Whether that might take a while to get approved, these sort of things, but yes, there's the more we know, the more chances that we got ingenious ways of overcoming these things. And it's the same with COVID. No one had messenger RNA vaccines before. These are all brand new, but they're saving lots of people from dying from COVID. Yeah, so the same technology could be applied to infertility.